Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a character reference letter for a visa. It's a crucial document that highlights a person's integrity, reliability, and good character, serving as a supporting statement for their visa application. You should begin your letter by including your full name, address, city, country, email, contact number, and the date at the top. Next, address the letter to the relevant embassy or consulate, mentioning its name and address. Ensure you include a clear subject line stating that the letter is a character reference for applicant's full name. Start the letter with a formal salutation, such as "Dear Sir, Madam," to maintain professionalism. After that, write, "I am writing to provide a character reference for applicant's name, whom I have known for X years, in my capacity as your relationship, e.g., employer, colleague, friend. Applicant's name has consistently demonstrated integrity, responsibility, and respect in both personal and professional settings. Their strong moral character and dedication make them an outstanding individual, and I am confident that they will be a positive presence in destination country. I wholeheartedly support applicant's name, visa application, and have no doubt that they will comply with all regulations during their stay. Please feel free to contact me at your contact information if any further details are required. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample character reference letter for a visa. You'll notice how it highlights the applicant's integrity, reliability, and positive character traits. The letter clearly explains your relationship with the applicant, how long you've known them, and why you believe they are a trustworthy individual. It also includes key details about their background, conduct, and reasons for travel, reinforcing their suitability for the visa. By following this format step by step, you can craft a strong and persuasive character reference letter that supports their application. This letter helps immigration officials assess the applicant's credibility and intentions. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing reference letters.